Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Google Search Console and choosing the right verification method. Pick Domain Verification for the broadest coverage. Once done, add a DNS-TXT record at your registrar or upload the provided HTML file to your web root. Make sure DNS changes propagate. That can take minutes to hours. While waiting, prepare your sitemap. XML and confirm you can edit robots. TXT. This initial step proves ownership and sets the foundation for Google to index your site correctly. Now submit your sitemap. Enter /sitemap. XML into the Sitemaps tool so Google knows your site structure and priority pages. Next, inspect key URLs with the URL inspection tool to request indexing for critical pages. Make sure canonical tags, hreflang, and structured data are correct. These elements guide Google's decisions. Monitor the coverage report for errors and warnings. Addressing redirects 404 or noindex tags improves crawl efficiency. If you use a CMS, enable clean permalinks and confirm robots. TXT isn't blocking important paths. Finish by enabling performance tracking and setting your preferred domain in Search Console. This gives visibility into queries, impressions, and CTR so you can prioritize content. Make sure your site passes mobile-friendly and core Web Vitals checks because speed and UX affect ranking. If pages aren't indexed, first re-verify ownership, then confirm robots. TXT and meta tags aren't blocking Googlebot and resubmit the sitemap. Often the issue is a blocked path or invalid canonical. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.